All right, welcome back, guys. So I want to show you guys this very powerful strategy that we use to kill the market. As you can see here, we are trading boom 1000 right now. All right, if you notice, we entered the trade right here and we have been catching a lot of spikes. All right, and based on our analysis, this market is going to be pushing off for a while. So the trade has been running and we are in profit. All right, we are in profit right now. A lot of us are winning. The VIPs in my channel, this trade, everybody took this trade and everybody's winning right now. So I'm going to be showing you how we do this stuff. It's very simple. I just need you guys to follow up. I just need you guys to watch this video to the end and make sure that you follow every single principle that I share right here, because every single strategy we post on our channel is very powerful. All right, before I go into that, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that before. All right, subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, because we do post very powerful strategies that will help you grow your accounts and also learn to trade. So all right, that being said, I don't want to delay. All right, I don't want to delay because I have to go back to my VIPs, my students who are um trading this right now, so I can give them updates. So I don't want to delay this video. All right, like I said, I'm going to be sharing this very powerful strategy that shows how we make this money. All right, as you can see on our group. All right, you can see here the VIPs in the group are winning. All right, we are making a lot of money. Everyone is happy. Everyone is happy, guys. All right, everyone is very happy, and that makes me happy. All right, look at this. All right, look at this testimony, guys. All right, people are making money. People are making a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys more testimonies. I'm going to show you guys more testimonies. As you can see, I usually show you guys this so that you will be motivated. All right, you will not allow anything discourage you. All right, in as much as people feel like Forex isn't paying off, trust me, a lot of us are making money from this same platform. So I did it, guys. These are more testimonies, guys. These are more testimonies. The VIPs are winning. The VIPs are winning. All right, do well to join this channel. I'm going to be sharing our Telegram link. All right, I'm going to be sharing our Telegram link. Look at this. We hit our TP with a lot of profits. All right, so I'm going to be sharing our Telegram link on the description of this video. So I need you to join us. All right, join us. Feel free to join us. If you have any challenges, feel free to chat me up. I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link also, so that you can reach out to me directly. All right, so we also share analysis and why we take trades so that people can learn. All right, so let's go back to it very fast. I don't want to waste time. I'll be showing you guys how to do this before I go in. All right, I'll be showing the newbies how to set these indicators, because a lot of them have been asking me how to do it. So how do we do it, guys? How do we do it? We just you click, you can see the F sign here. You simply click it and it will take you here. All right, so for this strategy, these are the indicators we'll be needing: relative strength index, moving average, and envelopes. All right, and we'll be needing this stuffs on our indicator window one. We are not needing any, we don't want to use any indicator on the main chart. All right, so if you have not set up this part before, even if you have not set up your indicators before, you simply click on your main chart, the F sign here. Let me show you guys. All right, you see the F plus sign on your main chart. You simply click that, and first thing you want to add is the relative strength index. That is your RSI. Okay, so very fast, I need you guys to copy the setup very fast so you don't waste time. You can see period is 14, apply to close. All right, styles is 3 pixel. Okay, you can choose your color to be white if you're using the white background. If you're using the black background, you can choose your color to be black. And the level should be 90 and 10. All right, I usually add the 50 to remind me where I'm supposed to take my profit sometimes, but based on analysis, I know where to take profit, right? So this, the 50th level, usually tells me where to take profit. Okay, but that is not really important. You just, what is more important is the 90 and the 10 level. All right, you can choose to describe this. You can choose to describe this. It doesn't really matter though. It doesn't really matter. You see the style, 2 pixel. You see the color. Choose bright colors so that it to be visible on your screen. All right, so let's go into it. I don't have the time. I don't want this video to be long, so there's no point describing all of this. So once you are done with this, all right, you simply click done. All right, and you will notice that you have created an indicator window 1. As soon as you add relative strength index, indicator window 1 will come up on its own. All right, so the next thing you want to add is your moving average, right? So you go back to clicking this F plus sign this time around, not the one on the main chart. You click the one on the indicator window 1. All right, the one on the indicator window 1. That's it. You click that, and it will take you here where you have your list of indicators. You simply select moving average. All right, you simply select moving average, and you can see the setting. All right, period 10 period moving average, shift 0. Method is exponential, apply to close. All right, styles can leave it at 2 pixel, you can leave it at 3 pixel. All right, but I usually like 2 pixel. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it at this. Your colors can be pink, can be red, can be any color of your choice. All right, but just make it visible on your screen so you can see what you are doing. All right, so for moving averages, we don't need levels. All right, so you're done with that. You simply click done, and then go back to clicking the F again. All right, so you simply click this F again to add the next indicator. All right, so the next one will be our envelopes, right? So you these are the settings. Period is 70, shift 0, deviation 0.900. Method is simple, apply to close. Styles, the first one is 2 pixel, the upper band, and the lower band is 3 pixel, guys. So you just choose colors that you like. Choose the colors that you like and make it visible on your screen. Make sure they are visible on your screen. I always say that. So let's get to it immediately. I don't want to waste any more time. Now you have added, you click done, you have added all of your indicators, you click done. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys how we do this stuff. It's very easy. All right, so I usually emphasize that we apply price action. All right, because sometimes these indicators might just be dragging price and just be following price. All right, so you want to know price action. You want to ensure that you know your market direction. You want to remember, we are trying to catch spikes, right? We are trying to catch spikes, so you want to be sure that the market is in an uptrend. For boom, everything boom, you want to be sure that the market is in an uptrend. And you want to know your areas of value so that you can know where to make a trading entry from. All right, you don't just want to jump in because you think the market is in an uptrend. You don't want to just jump in, and trust me, you will lose a lot of money if you just jump in blindly. So you want to know price action, and price action entails knowing your area of value, knowing the market direction, knowing the structures and everything. So right, before you do anything, you want to go to your higher time frame. All right, you want to go to your higher time frame to decide the market direction. And as you can see here, all right, these levels are way too much. Okay, I think I took out the wrong level, so I'm just gonna push this here. All right, this can move here, and these two are not necessary. I'm just doing this to show you guys how to do the stuffs. All right, I've scattered my analysis. I'm going to have to put them back. All right, so as you can see, it is very obvious that the market is in an uptrend. All right, because we are seeing series of higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. All right, so you are certain that the market is in an uptrend. Now you know that you want to be catching spikes. You want to be looking for buying opportunities, right? And where do you want to take these buying opportunities from? Where do you want to see them? It has to be on your area of value. That is your support and resistance. This is why I keep saying that price action is very key, because it will guide you to make you know exactly what you are doing. All right, a lot of people will depend on indicators and give you wrong signals, and you come crying that you lose money. Trust me, guys, you just need to know these things. And if you're interested, you want to learn, you can enroll in my mentorship program. It's very affordable. Just chat me up. I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link on the description of this video. All right, chat me up. You can also join our VIP if you don't have the time to learn by yourself. We are doing real stuff. We're making real money, guys. So now you know your market direction, you know where the market is headed, you know your area of value, you know where you want to buy from because you are looking to buy. All right, so let's go back to lower time frame. All right, 1 minute is cool. All right, so now this is where we took this trade from, right? All right, we entered here because of okay, you want to use this zoom level. The third zoom level is fine. All right, so in this case I entered kind of late, it was a bit late, but not too late. You know, price had just this pink line here, all right, had just left this level. It has just left this level. It was not far from this level. That's why I still decided that we should enter, and then we entered, and we caught a couple of spikes. All right, we caught a couple of spikes. This spikes had already happened before we entered. All right, and it's always very important that you know that you wait for the first spike. You know, this is one secret. A lot of people really don't know this secret. All right, so you want to allow the first spike to happen. All right, and then you enter after the first spike. So, well, what happens here when price comes to this level, right? When price comes to this level, you can see the indicator here has come to the 10th level. All right, at this point you know that buyers have piled up here and they are ready to push pressure to the upside. All right, so what happens is the spike. You're going to be seeing a lot of spikes when market meets all of these conditions, right? So this is why you're seeing this spike here. All right, I can show you more. I'm going to be showing you more. This is another one. Market came to this level and then boom, the spike. All right, but you want to allow this first spike to pass, and then you enter after the first spike so they can catch multiple spikes. All right, I can show you more, guys. I can show you more. This is the very long spike, and it happened soon as price came to this level. All right, price came to the 10th level here, and then boom, the spike happened. Usually, sometimes when I'm not really focused on the market, I take my profit at this 50th level, all right, and I'm out. But then that's not important. You can just wait and monitor your trade. All right, so I can show you more. Price came to this point, and then boom, the first spike, and then your other spike. So this is how to catch multiple spikes. You can see here, price came to this level. The pink line here dropped to this level, and then it still dropped some more before the spike happened. All right, this is why I say you allow the first spike to happen first, because some ticks might just keep dragging you downwards and your money will keep going down. All right, so that's my secret. I need you guys to make money. I'm doing this for all of you guys because we are growing very fast. This channel did not start a very long time ago, but look at how fast we have grown. All right, a lot of people on our VIP group. All right, it makes more sense when we win together. So I'm doing this for you guys to learn to win by yourselves. All right, look at another example. All right, our indicator came to this level, and then it moved. The first spike happened, and then what do we see? Multiple spikes, guys. So this works directly opposite for crash. All right, this works directly opposite for crash. All right, now for crash, you want to make sure that the market is in a downward trend. All right, you want to make sure that in your higher time frame you are seeing series of lower highs and lower lows. All right, it's not the case here, so you avoid this. All right, the market is still going up in this part at this point. All right, so you avoid this. All right, so when you see market in a downtrend on the higher time frame, you go to your lower time frame and allow market to meet other conditions. All right, but in this case you want to see your indicator, the pink line, come to the 90 level. and then what happens is the long spike, guys. It's a spike. You see this long spike? All right, let me show you more examples. All right, so I'm going to be showing you guys more example. As you can see here, all right, you see our indicator came to our RSI 90 level. Sorry about that. And what happened was a spike. All right, the first spike happened. You should avoid the first spike. Doesn't matter if you enter the first spike, but to be on the safe side, all right, you want to ensure that the spikes are going to keep happening, and you want to catch multiple spikes, right? So you avoid the first one and then allow enter the trade when the second when after the first spike happens, and then you see multiple spikes, guys. So this is my secret. This is how to catch multiple spikes. It works for me over time. I need you to practice this on your demo. You don't need to rush. You need to practice it and make sure you understand and perfect it. This is another perfect example. All right, this is it. You can see here price came to this level. All right, our indicator came to our RSI 90 level, and then what happened? It spiked, right? You're going to cry that you missed the first spike. All right, you might want to feel like, why don't I enter? It doesn't mean you can still enter and make your profit, but then again, you want to be on the safe side, right? You want to only trade high probability trades. So you allow the first spike to pass, and then you enter from the second one and catch multiple spikes and still make your profit. So guys, this is how I do it. This is how the VIPs are winning. This is how I am winning. I'm gonna have to go back to my VIPs now. So take care of you guys and stay safe. All right, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you join our Telegram. You see how we are doing things. All right, and take care, guys.